everybody, and welcome to my review of the Grand Tour episode 6 of series 2. In this week's episode of the Grand Tour hosts Jeremy Clarkson, Richard Hammond and James May are in Colorado this week on a cheap car challenge. They take 3 different types of Jags, all of which are listed in the episode, down to Colorado, do a load of tests with them, and to basically see which one is the better of them. Now, joining them in the Celebrity Face-Off segment of the show this week is actor Luke Evans, most noticeably known for the Fast and Furious franchise, and Kiefer Sutherland, who appeared previously on the BBC's Top Gear. This segment of the show is very entertaining. I always find that the Celebrity Face-Off segment can be somewhat entertaining during some episodes, although most noticeably it can be a little bit dry humoured at most, but it is very entertaining to watch. Anyway, my review of Grand Tour episode 6 series 2 entitled Jaaaaags is out online now and is linked in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and good evening. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of them, subscribe for weekly updates and get notified when I upload my next Grand Tour video upload. These videos are posted every Friday on my YouTube channel, and the subscription to my YouTube channel is greatly appreciated. I will leave an info card up in the corner where you can view my recent playlist of Grand Tour videos and recent videos of my Grand Tour Series 2 reviews. Once again, these videos are uploaded to my YouTube channel every Friday. To never miss a video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.